How to fix personal hotspot not showing on Android. First, you need to simply restart and check the settings. Restart your phone, which is the simplest fix. Hold power button on your device and swipe towards restart to restart your device. Now, head towards the settings. Scroll down and look for the option of connection and sharing from the setting panel and tap on personal hotspot and make sure that you toggle on the button for personal hotspot. If it didn't work for you, you need to go towards the step 2, that is checking for carrier restrictions. Some carriers disable the hotspot. You can easily contact your provider to confirm it's included in your plan. The next step is resetting network settings. To do that, you need to head towards the settings, tap the search bar and type in reset, and you see the list of reset option. Simply you need to choose reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth, or simply choose reset network settings and tap reset network settings. Verify your identity by entering your biometrics and then confirm by tapping on reset network settings. The last step you can follow is simply trying a different APN. To do that, on the setting panel, choose mobile network. Now simply choose more settings, or you can come back and select your SIM card. Here you need to choose access point name, and then you can select your APN and change the APN type to default, DUN, and you can save and restart your phone. And with that, you can simply fix the personal hotspot not working on Android device or not showing. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.